Step into the future of digital dentistry with the D-Fine Scan Pro, an innovation from Dentcare, a global leader with over 35 years of expertise. The D-Fine intraoral scanner is engineered to revolutionize dental care. Its lightweight build, only 192 grams, is crafted from aviation-grade aluminum, ensuring durability while remaining portable and easy to use. With ultra-fast scanning in just 52 seconds, D-Fine delivers remarkable efficiency without compromising precision. It's less than or equal to 7 micrometers ultra-high accuracy and less than or equal to 5 micrometers super precision. Ensure that even the finest details are captured. The D-Fine scanner comes with 6 autoclavable tips, making sanitation easy and ensuring safe, repeated use in your practice. Designed with a compact size of 216 by 40 by 36 millimeters, D-Fine fits comfortably in your hand, making scanning intuitive and ergonomic. With a field of view of 18 by 16 millimeters and an adjustable depth of field up to 20 millimeters, it ensures comprehensive coverage of your patient's oral structures. The D-Fine Scan Pro captures 3D data with STL, PLY, and encrypted PTY file formats, compatible with leading dental CAD software like exocad for seamless integration into your practice. Powerful free-to-use software accompanies the scanner, offering features like trim, edit, recover, margin line drawing, and occlusal match, enabling precise adjustments and seamless workflows. AI-powered tools such as auto tissue removal and overlap correction streamline the scanning process, allowing practitioners to focus on patient care without technical distractions. With 40-plus patents and certifications from regulatory bodies like CFDA, FDA, CE, and more, the D-Fine scanner ensures compliance with international standards, giving you peace of mind in every scan. Store and transfer your scans easily with 5 GB of free cloud storage and integrate directly with your existing system using the API. For optimal performance, ensure your system meets the recommended PC requirements, including an Intel i7 processor, 32 GB RAM, and NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU. Join the revolution in digital dentistry with the D-Fine Scan Pro, where cutting-edge technology meets unmatched precision. Because at Dentcare, we're dedicated to redefining dental care, one scan at a time. Discover more at www.dentcare.com.